being Hispanic and Latin, they expect you to be macho. Growing up, I was really feminine. And then when I got to middle school, they would call me the F word or they would call me sissy. And I had to realize that I had to play the game different. I couldn't be feminine. I always had to hide it. The question that I hated the most was when they would ask me, what girl do you like? When deep inside, I couldn't answer the truth. So I would always choose the prettiest girl in the room because that's what I wanted to be. My name is Daniel, and I'm the second shift coordinator for Las Vegas Distribution Center at Sephora. And when I'm not working at Sephora, I'm the fabulous drag queen Reverie. When I wore drag for the first time at work was probably a year ago. And when I did it, a lot of people gave me compliments and it really made me feel happy and more confident. When I walk in Sephora, I do feel comfortable being who I am. It took a lot for me to do it, you know, because I was scared of what people thought, especially because growing up, those reactions were the opposite. I grew up in a religious Catholic family where they had a lot of rules and where we couldn't do certain things, and drag was one of them. I remember my dad always, when I would watch drag shows or anything that had to do with girls on TV, he said that in this house that none of those stuffs were allowed. It's hard to talk about because it's something that I still keep here. You know, sometimes you just go to sleep at night hoping someone will come and save you, and sometimes the only person that comes and saves you is you. But I think all that pain you go through makes you stronger, and when you get older, just turn it into magic. When I was 25 years old, I was able to be who I always wanted to be, but first I had to learn to love myself. So it went from going to buy a wig, from buying heels, from buying makeup, and there she was, Reverie. Someone that I always knew was inside of me. Oh, black, like a brunette.
Ooh, I bet that, yeah.
I brought the wig too. I'm gonna wear it to you, Reverie.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Hi Eddie. Thank you.
Hi, Eddie.
Hey Cole. From not being able to wear makeup in my household to now working with a company that allows me to be my authentic self is so rewarding. For any children or any kid that feels alone, that is going through something that I went through, I want to use my voice to tell them that all the hardship and all the struggle at the end will be worth it. It took me a while to blossom and glow, but when I see myself in the mirror, I see a warrior, I see a champion, and I see a superhero.